So what is up, guys? This is the Audi A4 S-Line. Uh-oh, what is that? Why is this out? Uh-oh. All right, guys, it's been a little bit, but this is the Audi A4 S-Line that I am currently taking delivery of right now. You guys are gonna see a lot more of this car here in the very near future. Just got back from detail. Can you hit the unlock button? It's all ready to go. So stay tuned and I will give you guys a few videos on this here in the very near future. Yep. 100%. Alright, we're taking this off the lot now. And I got my temp registration, we got the tag on it, and we own it. There it is, guys. Anyways, you guys will get a full video on this thing coming soon. I will post a video for you guys on it. But yeah, man, 2 cars done, everything finished. And yeah, this is gonna be, yeah, man, damn, this steering wheel feels good. I don't know, man. You know, the American experiment was nice with the GMs and stuff, and I'm probably still gonna rock the GMs. But I gotta be honest, no, I'm not wearing my seatbelt. I gotta be honest, I'm a German dude, man. I gotta have the Audi. I gotta have at least one Audi, one Beamer, something in the fleet, man. Anyways, there you have it. What is up, guys? TK here with TK's Garage, and I guess this is actually a formal introduction. If you were watching over on Instagram, you saw me take delivery of this video. I'll probably even put some of the delivery videos at the beginning. But this is my new, new to me anyway, it was a lease return, 2017 Audi A4 S-Line. And we also picked up an Audi S4 2018. So you guys will get to you guys will get a chance to see both of those. Let me zoom all the way out here if it'll let me. Hold on, we'll get it there. We're still working on it. Is that it, huh? Look here, I'm still trying to figure out the camera. Y'all don't be out here trying to roast me. Anyways, let me see if I can get this to open up for y'all. All right, give y'all a quick tour on the inside. Ooh. So, we got our speed control, all that good stuff up here. Turn signals, current mileage on the vehicle. Now, if I tell you what I picked this car up for, you'd say I'm lying, but I'll show you guys the invoice and the paperwork. It's cool. Now they give you thumb drives nowadays. They don't even give you actual paperwork when you leave a dealership anymore. Kind of weird. Anyways, the seats look like they haven't been touched. Like the car is literally new. I got this out in the wide angle shot. Hopefully this is good enough for you guys. Let's go ahead and turn the car on. Turn that off. Yeah. This thing wants to beep all day, huh? Yeah. Turn the AC off. Sometime today. You want to hear it start? It's not pretty. It's not like I'm going to get a really good cold start or anything out of it, but there are a couple things. Shut up. There are a couple things I want to get done to it, and I still got the papers and stuff in here. I got to take these out. But there are a couple things I want to do to it. Oh, there is a spot. I was always looking. If you guys remember the S7, I was looking for the key spot, and I didn't see one. Right? I was looking for my key spot. Hold on one second, because now I got all my keys And I like to, like, having all of these damn keys, you know, for the BMW and the Toyota and the Tundra and the Corolla. It's just like, Jesus. Now, being able to just, I like that. And look, it's locked in. And that also shuts the car off. I like that. I really like that. Let me see. I'm learning something here. Oh, sweet. So I don't have to use the start. It's literally got like 2 different on-off air. Okay. I literally just learned something new. Straight up. I really did. So, cool. Anyways, so this is the car. It's going to be my daily driver. I thought it was a little bit better than driving my truck. Even though I said I was going to be daily driving the Corolla. You see where it is now. And it does have that for sale sign on the front of it. It is time to sell it. We did complete it. I know you guys are still going to get the videos of me fixing that car. And there's like a self-driving video and everything else. But anyways, this is the new Rip. This is my new baby. And I'm going to be driving this on a regular basis. If you have any questions about it, things you want to know, things I'm going to do to it, let me know. And I'm going to show you a little bit of the differences between the S4 and the A4. Being that, and I know I'm going to get a bunch for this, but this is the daily driver, so I'm not really worried about this as far as performance goes, even though this is an S-line that really doesn't mean much. This is an A4 CVT. That means it's basically front-wheel drive. The S4 is a Quattro, and it's all-wheel drive. So I'm going to be able to show you guys the difference. I'm going to get under it. I have to do some cleaning, literally on the CV axles on this car, where it just has like that surface rust. I'm OCD about that kind of stuff. So anyways, you guys are going to get to see a lot of this car moving forward. I think this is probably one of the regular sunroof. I've always had the big panoramic, so to have just the regular sunroof, I'm going to enjoy that. And it's got some fairly decent tint on it too. Give you guys a quick look at the trunk. Plenty of space. You got little tie down spots. No full size spare in here. Just a regular joint. But I can fit a few things back here. I know what y'all want to see though. Y'all want to see that right there. Look at that. Beautiful engine, man. Look at this. Basically, for y'all that didn't know, yes, this is a Audi, but for the most part, if you're new to cars or don't know much about cars, this is basically a Jetta. I mean, they are, wow, look at this. Your detailer's fired, man. You're supposed to clean everything, and that's all filthy. Look at this dirt in here. Come on, man. Come on, Hendrick, man. What's going on, bro? Anyways, you can take a look down here. You can see everything looks pretty good, right? Exhaust doesn't look horrible, you know? It's not all corroded. It was started its life as a Florida car and came up here in the last, what they say, 6 months? And it's been sitting in dealer inventory for 3. That's part of the reason I got it for the song I did. Oh, I saw the little fans. Did y'all see the little fans there moved by the computer? That was kind of cool. But you can see everything nice and tight down there. Plenty of room to get work done in here. I mean, I can see the pulleys and everything in here look good. Belt looks good. All these lines look good. I mean, overall, this thing looks really nice. That's what it looks like, 2.0. Same engine that they put in, what, the Volkswagen CC. I think even some of the Jettas have the 2.0 in it. Not bad. Let's see. Yep. And you can see it right here. Anyways, I think one of the first things I would definitely want to do is probably, I'm not going to cold air intake it, but I'm probably going to upgrade my box. Put a better filter on it. Don't know how I feel about these headlights on the front yet. And I might add the little ring upgrade where you can put the lights behind the ring. I know, people gonna say that's whack, man, that's whack. Well, it is what it is. It's my car, I'm gonna do what I want with it. But overall, it looks like we got a lot of room to work with in here, so I'm ecstatic about it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions about the powertrain or whatever on this one, let me know in the comments. But overall, you can see she's pretty clean. She almost has, you know, no miles on it for what it is. So I do think I need to go get it for some paint correction. I see we got one little chip in the paint here, which I want to address. And I think that's it. But I'm probably gonna ceramic coat it. Yep, there's a chip here, okay? So we're probably gonna ceramic coat it just to get it right. But overall though, everything else looks really good on it. I mean, really, really good. Anyways, it's here, it's clean. I'm thoroughly enjoying it. And as far as you guys, the update for the Toyota Corolla is, it is going up for sale. I'm not gonna hold on to it. I'm gonna put it up probably in the next 24 to 48 hours. Just have to go give it a bath, finish cleaning it up, and then it's gonna be gone. Time for this one to go. Now, while we're not giving away this 2020 Corolla that we've just done the rebuild on, I may give away another newer car as we rebuild it. If it's something you guys want to see here on the channel, let me know. Smash the thumbs up button. We get it up to about, say, 500 likes. We'll go ahead and announce a fresh giveaway on a rebuilt car.